Have you ever wanted to replace your exhaust on your R1250 GS, GSA, or 1200 GS or GSA? In this real quick video, I'm going to show you how easy it is. So the first thing we're going to do is remove your factory passenger foot pegs. This bike already has them removed, so we'll skip that step. The next thing we're going to do is remove your top rack if you have it, your hand, what are those things called? You remove your grab handles, and then you'll remove any of the luggage rack you have. This bike has Outback Motortek, very similar to what the factory ones, but the factory ones are a little bit different. So it's about 6 bolts, 2, 4, 6, remove all that, and it'll open up space to your exhaust here. You technically don't have to remove the racks, but it does make it a lot easier, especially if you have a nice shiny new exhaust. The last thing you want to do is scratch it on the backside. So I recommend doing it, but again, you don't necessarily have to. All right, so I got the foot pegs off. They were never on there, and then I got the back luggage racks off. Next thing we're gonna do, super easy, we're gonna remove this bolt here, the hanger bolt, and then there's 3 little Torx bolts that hold this shield on, and then you'll remove the actual clamp bolt. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Now that you've got that all removed, all you need to do is just grab it, give a little wiggle, pull it back, and it comes right out. Just like that. All right, so we got our Akrapovic exhaust. You have your exhaust clamp. That's gonna go, I like to orient it to where it's not actually showing, so towards the back. Again, you're just gonna reverse order, slide it on. On the back side of that, you had a chrome washer, flat washer, that goes behind. And then on the front side, we have our bolt and we'll call it decorative washer. I powder coated mine black. Nice and snug. Then you take this clamp here, torque it down to whatever spec that your exhaust manufacturer says, and then pretty much from there, just reverse order, putting everything back together, and you're good to go. The last thing that Akrapovic provides is this carbon fiber little heat shield that replaces the metal one that's on there. So that one's super easy. It's just got 1 bolt, and then it has a clamp on the back side. Just loosen it up, wrap it around, tighten it down, use the bolt. Really easy. So we got the heat shield on there. Like I said, got that bolt done, got it all clamped on. You will lose the sticker after a while. The simple fact is this gets hot, the glue gets soft, and the wind blows this off. So if you lose that, don't be too irritated about it. It happens to all of them, but let's go ahead and start it up and see how it sounds. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about this install, obviously it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But if you have any questions at all, definitely hit me up in the comments below. I'm always scanning those, making sure that I'm helping you guys when you ask your questions, and I reply back to them as quick as possible. But if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Make sure and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever wanted to swap out your factory exhaust with something like an Akrapovic or another brand of exhaust? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how easy it is. Really, all you have to do is remove your... God dang it. Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever wanted to... Dude, I cannot talk right now. I did that intro earlier like 15 times. Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever... Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever wanted to replace... I cannot.